Okay, carefully, like.
Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fill up your screen wash on the BMW F30 3 Series.
M4 Sports.
M4? Where do you get M4 out of 3 Series with?
Modified
Right, so the way you open the bonnet is you click the bonnet thing under the driver's seat twice and then
Check
lift
the
it up.
video link in description.
Here's your reservoir. I recommend using a funnel because it's right next to the battery connector. You do not want to spill anything on there. You can't even get it. Eh? Oh, it might be cover. Is that cover? Oh no, it goes through there, I think. Does it?
That's it.
I think so, anyway. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Weird,
Pipes,
innit?
Pipes literally there, bro.
Okay.
Do you want to hold it for me or?
Yeah. I still recommend using a funnel. Go on. So I'll tell you when it starts coming up. Do slowly. Yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna fill up now. We're using winter because it's winter one, so make sure you use the right one. Slowly.
Can you see it? Yeah.
Yeah, that takes a piss to go down. Slow.
Stop
Yeah,
it.
keep going. Just do slowly, yeah. Like that, yeah. That speed. So yeah, it takes the piss. Don't know how well you can see that because of the. Okay, we lost focus now. There you go. Go on. Keep going. I swear we didn't use this much. Ooh. Keep going. Okay, so we're just gonna fill it up till that thing starts coming to the top. Slowly. Yes, come back down, keep going. Imagine it's all just falling out the fucking car or something. How much have we used? Quite a bit.
Quite a lot.
The warning came late again on that. All the warnings on this car come very late. Have you noticed? Tire pressure one came miles later. This warning came late. And look how much is left in there. And you tell me now. Slowly.
Thing is, the pipe isn't even see-through for us to know.
Anyway, that's the thing. Was the Golf one was see-through. This you won't know until it actually comes up. It's still going down, isn't it?
No, that's just a little pool of reservoir, bro.
Oh, okay.
Because the pipe's not fully thingy.
There's nothing leaking underneath this, David.
Watch your hand, Jeff.
Go on. Would it be better with flash? No. Keep going. What the fuck? Keep going. Bro, how?
Get out.
Yeah. 3 minutes in and we're still filling this up, guys. What the fuck is, where's all this water going, bro? Well, it's not water.
To be fair, the Golf did use quite a lot as well.
This don't have headlight washes, that did.
Oh, true.
So yeah, you shouldn't take anywhere near as much. You shouldn't take a full bottle anyway, because the Golf used to take a full bottle and a bit in it. Fucking hell. Keep going.
Oh, that's perfect.
Give that.
Council.
Thank you, council. Good lads. Just when we needed it, look. It turned on just when we needed it. Thank you, council. Very good council. They must be watching our videos. Okay. Keep going. What the fuck? How much have we used?
Fuck me, man. I'm not supposed to know when to stop as well.
Guys, we're just going to keep filling it and I'll pause the video for now. Alright guys, finally come to the top and it's nearly took the full bottle. So we're just going to fill some out. Carefully. Don't want to fall off the edge. Got it? Yeah. Just chuck it on the floor. What else can you do in it?
What did you see?
Did nothing come out?
Yeah, but it's not very small.
Good. I'm watching some reservation things.
Okay.
So we can lock the lid without it dripping down the sides. Yeah. Should be alright. Drop a bit more if you want. But yeah, that's full now. Yeah, that should be alright. Close the lid. There you go. Yeah. So we avoid hitting the battery stuff. So yeah. Look, show me how much you took. How much is that? That's 5 litres. What litre is that?
5 litres.
5 litres, it took about 4 litres. That's mental, guys. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.